What is going on, guys? We're back on another video. Today we will be playing. We will be reacting to another Roblox animation. It's called He Was Stalked by an Online Dater, a Roblox made by Shane Plays, one of my favorite Roblox animators. It's 14 minutes long. So let's see if you guys can survive through that time. And let's see what this is all about. Let's get it. Ah, crap.
Yeah, Kobe, I met this really creepy girl on...
So it's like the same voice actor for every person except the girls. Like, you'll see.
Line. It was strange. Yeah, man, well, you shouldn't be online dating as it is.
There's a sweet triple voice.
Not going to. She was just weird, and like, she just wouldn't stop bothering me, and I didn't say anything to her. All of a sudden, she just kept messaging me, and it freaked me out. We literally didn't say anything. Yeah, well, as long as you didn't give her any personal information, you should be fine. Yeah, there's no way she could have known who I was. She was probably just somebody, like, trying to scam me or something, that's all. Yeah, of course, you gotta be careful. You should never, ever, ever date people online. Never. Just don't do it. I know, I'm not going to. I was just being stupid in the moment, and that's all it was. Ah, good. That's good. Yeah, I don't know. I've sort of felt like I've had, like, somebody watching me or something, though. I just have this bad feeling. Hey, man, you just need to relax. I'm sure it's gonna be okay. Yeah, you're right. But hey, dude, it's getting late. I'm gonna head home. Alright, cool, man. I'm gonna hang out here for a while and just chill out. Alright, sounds good. Have a good night.
Oh, heck no! You better run, boy. Yeah, screwed up. Oh, no wonder. That girl gold digger. There's the girl gold. I love you. Well, I keep trying to do. So, yeah.
It's that Penelope person again. I don't understand why she keeps messaging me. I've never even spoken to her one time. Something's weird. She says, I see you, over and over again.
What a
Alright,
freak.
this is really scary.
It's your freaking
Hello?
AK-47.
Is anyone there?
Barricade the door, and if you hear a knock, light her up. Melt her. Literally, you got an AK-47 in your garage. Use it. Melt her face off with it. She sees that bad boy, she'll be running to China, desperately trying to get away from you, even about to get COVID.
I'm so glad I get a break. I mean, wait a minute, Penelope?
Hey, Taylor! I'm so excited to see you!
What are you doing here at my
This
work? How
girl
did you
is
find
so
me? I've never
sick
even
and
responded
disgusted
to
she
you.
got
This is
COVID.
really
She's so sick.
scary.
What? Are you saying you didn't get all the messages I sent you? But I sent you like a ton of them!
Yeah, I got the messages. They were really creepy. You need to leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you.
What? Don't call me creepy! I am not creepy at all!
Yeah,
I'm really sorry. I
know.
didn't mean to be rude, but can you please just leave me alone? I just want to be left alone. This is... Wow, man, you really feel that unsafe? Yeah, it was so weird. I don't want her to come in and steal any of my stuff or anything. I'm really sorry things went so weird like that. I mean, that's why you should never ever online date. I know, and I definitely know that that's not a good thing to do. But anyway, I don't know. Maybe she won't bother me anymore. Well, I'm glad you got the cameras then. Now all you need to do is put in an alarm system. Maybe you should go to the police. Well, I can't really. I don't know anything about her. I don't even know if that's her real name. I think she's trying to scam me or something. She's got to be trying to, like, steal my money or, I don't know, get me fired from my job or something. I don't know. Well, I could crash here tonight if you want me to. I mean, you got, like, all this extra room anyway. No, don't worry about it, man. It's gonna be okay. You sure? I don't mind. No, it's okay. I don't wanna bother you. Alright, yeah, no worries, man. Well, hopefully the cameras pick up whatever ends up happening. Yeah, I'm sure that they will. I bet you I'll be fine. keeps going off. What is this? Is Penelope still messaging me? Oh no, it's the security cameras. It's an alert. What is going on? She's
behind you.
Wait, she's behind me.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Penelope, what do you want?
Oh! I heard that punching noise.
Oh, hello? Anybody there? Please, let me out of here. What is going on? We can talk about this.
Oh, you're awake! I'm so excited, Taylor. But guess what? I'm never gonna let you out of here.
Oh, her eyes. Oh my
Not
God.
ever.
What? Why? What are you doing this for? This doesn't make any sense. You don't even know me.
Well, you're kind of right. I know that you're rich and I'm a criminal, so I want to steal all of your money.
So you never wanted to be my friend? You just wanted to scam me for all my money?
Yep, pretty much. That's about it.
Come on, please. I don't even care about the money. Just let me go. Don't ruin my life for no reason.
Aw, come on, but it's so fun. And plus, I'm gonna get rich at the end. Isn't that what everyone wants?
No, no one wants that. Please, just let me out.
You drive an interesting argument here, but yeah, nope, not gonna happen.
Oh my
I'm gonna take
God.
your
Look
money
at her.
and I'm
Look at her
gonna go
smile.
commit just a
Looks like
few
the moon.
crimes.
Look at her eyeball. It
This
looks
could be
like.
so fun, don't you think?
I don't know.
No,
It's
this
some
is
crap.
terrible. Let me out.
Get off the crap.
Hey, Taylor.
Uh-oh.
Taylor.
Screwed up now.
Taylor.
You're done dirty.
That's weird.
You're
I haven't
done
seen you
dirty,
at all.
nigga.
Taylor, are you there? Oh, looks like there's someone's bag here. Oh my gosh, what if it's that girl that's been bothering him? Oh, I hope he's okay. Let me see if she's got some ID. Okay, it says Penelope. Alright, how do I find out more about her? Well, I could Google her. Okay. Oh my gosh, she's the escaped prisoner! Oh, I remember seeing this on the news. Oh my gosh, this isn't good. She's super evil. She likes to steal everybody's money. Oh my gosh, how could Taylor have gotten himself into this mess? She must have taken him so that...
Metropolitan.
Hey sir,
Oh,
thanks for
Mexican.
meeting me. Yeah, sure, of course, no problem. We've been looking for Penelope for quite some time. She's incredibly good at being a criminal. It's honestly very frustrating. I think my friend might have been taken by her. I noticed that a few of his things were missing, and I haven't seen him anywhere. And there's video evidence of her taking him out of the house. He installed cameras and everything. Well, that's great that we finally have some video footage of this. We might be able to track her down. Does he have cameras on the outside of his house? I don't know. I know he just put them on the inside. I don't know anything about the outside. Well, this is kind of frustrating. We've been looking all over the place. I mean, we know that she used to have this old criminal base. It was like a little cabin out in the woods. But we had already checked there. That's where she was arrested the first time. I don't know if she'd go back
She's
there.
underground.
Yeah, well, I mean, you sure you checked it recently? Well, no, we checked it as soon as she broke out like a month ago. Well, then maybe she could be there. I guess. I don't know. She's pretty smart, though. I don't know if she'd go there if she knows that we know where it is. Or maybe that's exactly what she wants you to think, so that she can go and hide in plain sight. Well, look, you're welcome to go check it out if you want. I can't send any of my guys down there unless we have hard evidence that she's in the area. Okay, fine. I'll let you know if I find anything. Can you at least let me know where it is? Yeah, sure. On your way out, I'll have somebody give you directions. Okay, thank you. Wow, look at this old place. It's disgusting. Okay, Taylor? Taylor, are you around here anywhere? I don't see him. There's not really a lot of room to keep somebody in here either. But it does seem like somebody might have been here. I mean, the light's on. That's a sign, right? Maybe she has been around here. I don't know.
Check the photo of the basement.
Wait, what is this? This looks like some kind of secret entrance. Maybe it it goes to a basement or something.
Got it.
Hello? Taylor? Taylor? Kobe, is that you? Oh my gosh, Taylor! Taylor! Oh my gosh, let me out of here! Okay, come on out!
It's sir.
How did you find me? What is going on? Taylor, that person that you met online, it turns out she was an escaped criminal, and she's like a mastermind in stealing money? Yeah, I know, she told me all about it. I didn't know she was an escaped criminal, though. Yeah, she's like really good. She's usually a jewelry thief, but lately she's been stealing people's money and identities. She's probably taken everything that you have. My gosh, that's not good. I hope that they can find her. Well, I mean, the good thing is that we found you, so that's gonna lead us to her, I'm sure. How did you find all this out? Well, all I had to do was Google her, and then I found out that she was like in all these headlines, so I went and I talked to her caseworker at the prison. They like a bug. Gosh, I can't believe this. Yeah, well, why don't we get out of here? You can come stay with me for a little while until they catch her. Great, that sounds good. I think we go right to the police station, tell them everything. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Let's go.
This music, holy crap.
Wow, I can't believe it. I'm finally allowed to be back in my house. Yeah, that's right. Thanks to you, we were able to finally find Penelope and arrest her.
Nice.
She had already gone to a bunch of jewelry stores and stolen all of the diamonds. Honestly, I'm really surprised that we caught her at all. You're lucky you have a good friend. Yeah, I am too. I can't believe that. She was just going to take everything that I had and just run away and leave me down there. Yeah, she's a terrible, terrible person. I can't believe that she would do something like that either. Well, actually, yes, I can, because that's kind of what she does. Oh, well, thank you guys so much for finding her. I mean, this has been so unbelievably stressful. I can't thank you enough. Well, I'm glad that you had those security cameras. At least we could identify that she was still in your house. Yeah, of course, and I'm definitely going to get myself like a full-on security system moving forward. Well, that's probably a good idea, but you don't have to worry about any of that anymore. We finally arrested her, and she's going to go back to jail for a very, very long time. Oh, that's great news. I'm really excited about that. I mean, I'm sorry that she has to go to jail, but at the same time, she's done so many mean things to people. She deserves it. Of course she deserves it. But don't worry, she's going to a place where she'll never be able to get out.
Good. Crazy girl. Crazy. What? Oh, you gotta be kidding. She's safe. Wait another area. She's not in prison. Oh, come on. Where's the locks on these things? Yeah, stupid. Whoa, you actually... What is the... Oh my gosh, she is scared. She's going for you.
Hey everybody, I just want to take some time to shout
Alright
out...
everybody, thank you so much for watching this another Roblox adventure reaction. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button. I do weekly friend requests on Roblox, and if you request any videos, games, down below, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment on what I should react next, or play next, or download next, or challenge next. I will see you all in the next one. I will see you all. Bye, small gang.